Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by choosing a responsive template and preparing each page for narrow screens. Open Google Sites, pick a responsive template, then immediately switch to mobile preview so you see constraints. Once done, convert multi-column areas to single-column stacks where content would otherwise squeeze. Make sure to replace large desktop-only widgets with simpler alternatives. This reduces horizontal scrolling. You're starting the mobile-first process now, so later adjustments are targeted and now focus on the middle work. Restructure each page for touch and small screens. Convert grids to stacked sections, set images to full width so they scale, and swap heavy files for compressed WebP or JPG to cut load time. Once done, increase body font to at least 16px and ensure buttons are tappable, about 44px or larger. Also simplify navigation. Shorten labels, enable a compact menu. These steps reduce tapping errors and improve perceived speed. Finish by publishing and testing across phones and tablets in both portrait and landscape. Make sure navigation, buttons, and forms remain usable. Test network throttling to simulate slow connections. Optimize by removing unused scripts, compressing images, and enabling caching where possible. If something goes wrong, first revert any complex section to a single-column layout and recheck mobile preview. This often fixes overlap and broken stacks. Finally, iterate based on real device feedback, adjust spacing, and republish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.